Presenting Second Innings on Your Terms. Hi everyone. Are you ready to take control of your retirement? If you've ever wondered what life after retirement could look like beyond just financial planning, then I have some exciting news for you. I'm thrilled to introduce my book, Second Innings on Your Terms. This is a sequel to my previous book, Retire on Your Terms, released in June 2023. It is designed to help you not only plan your retirement financially but also approach it with purpose and clarity. Retirement isn't just about money. Many people think retirement is only about building a corpus. But once you retire, questions like, what will I do with my time? And, how do I stay mentally and emotionally fulfilled? Become equally important. This book goes beyond the numbers to help you design a lifestyle that aligns with your values and passions. Second Innings on Your Terms covers key lifestyle changes that happen after retirement. Mistakes many retirees make, and how to avoid them. Simple strategies to align your goals with your financial plan. Practical tips for health, relationships, and staying productive. This book is about empowering you to retire with confidence, your way, on your terms. The earlier you start planning, the better prepared you will be. Whether you are retiring soon or still a few years away, Second Innings on Your Terms will give you actionable steps to build a meaningful life post-retirement. It is a practical guide, written in a simple, easy-to-read style, making complex concepts easy to understand. The book is available now for just 299 rupees as paperback and 99 rupees as ebook on Amazon, Flipkart and Notion Press. A small investment for a lifetime of clarity and peace of mind. Don't wait until it's too late, start planning today. Get your copy today. Scan the QR codes shown here to grab your copy. You can also purchase at Amazon on the other websites. Begin your journey towards a fulfilling second innings and make sure retirement isn't just the end of work but the start of something meaningful.